Good morning, children. Today we learn English Grammar, Chapter 11, Simple Past Tense. Do you remember, children, what you have learned in last classes? Yes, it's about present tense. So let's revise the forms of the present tense before we start today's class. In present tense, we use s or es to the verb, and in present continuous tense, we use helping verb plus ing form of the verb. In today's class, we will learn verbs in simple past tense, change the verbs to simple past tense, and use verbs in simple past in sentences. So, what is the meaning of simple past tense? Simple past tense means the actions that have already completed in the past. And what is the form of the simple past tense? We add ed to the verbs to show that actions happened in the past. Verbs ending in ed tell us that the action happened at a particular time in the past. These verbs are said to be in the simple past tense. So, children, do you know that the simple past tense is often used with past time reference? That is, yesterday, last evening, last year, last night. So, let's move to first exercise. Fill in the blanks with the simple past form of the verbs given in the brackets. I dash my mother clean the house. Here you have to add ed with the verb given in the bracket, so it becomes helped. Second one, I dash my shoes in the morning. So what is the answer? Yes, polished becomes polished. Third one, we dashed the car last Sunday. So we add ed with the verb wash and it becomes washed. We washed the car last Sunday, and look at the word last Sunday. It shows past tense word. Next one, it dashed heavily last evening. So here we add ed with the verb rain and it becomes rained. And next one, my dog dashed at me and barked. So what is the past tense of jump? Jumped. Sixth one, I dashed in Delhi for 5 years when I was a baby. So the past tense of live is lived. Seventh one, I dashed my homework yesterday. So what is the past tense of finish? Finished. Eighth one, we dashed football last evening. We played. We add ed with the verb. And children, you have to remember some points when you change the form into simple past tense. Verbs ending in y, drop the y and take ied. For example, carry, carried, try, try. Here the last letter is y, so we drop that y and add ied. Next one, some verbs double their last consonant in the simple past tense. For example, drop, dropped, stop, stopped, wag, wag. So these verbs are known as regular verbs. The verbs which have ed form are known as regular verbs. Some verbs change their form completely in the simple past tense. For example, eat, ate, think, thought, take, took. So all these verbs are known as irregular verbs. Now study this table to learn about verbs that change their form completely. So children, read this table and learn it. Let's move to the second exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct option to describe what these children did yesterday. So first one, Nigel dash football, which is the past tense word played. Second one, Anu dash flowers, and past tense word is gathered. Third one, Sid dash his dog out to play. Here, which is the past tense word? Took. Took is the past form of take. Fourth one, Mickey dashed with the balloons. Mickey ran with the balloons. Fifth one, Alia dashed a butterfly. So past tense word is chased. Sixth one, Sid dashed at me. Sid smiled. Seventh one, Naina dashed a kite, which is the past tense word flew. Flew is the past form of fly. Next one, father dashed us around in his new car. So which is the past form here? Drove. Father drove us around in his new car. Ninth one, I rang the bell, my dog dashed to meet me. Here the past tense word is ran. The children dashed the circus. Past tense word is went. Went is the past form of go. They dashed the clown. All of them dashed at his tricks. They saw the clown. All of them laughed at his tricks. 12th one, I dashed the cage open, my parrot dashed away. So which is the past tense form here? left and flew. Next one, yesterday we went to a birthday party, we sang, we danced, and we played. So look at the changes in the spelling of verb and also note the past tense forms of the verb. Next one, this morning my cat saw a mouse. She jumped at it, but the mouse ran away. It rushed into its hole. So children, please do this exercise carefully and learn the spellings also. Do the exercises carefully and also learn the table. That's all for today. So have a nice day. Thank you.